Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today I will compare two LCD TV in this video. So let's go, now enjoy this video. Firstly, we start display. Display type LCD. Panel type VA IPS and VA QD. Screen size 55, 65, 75, 85 inch USA and Europe. Display resolution 4K. Refresh rate 144 Hz and 120 Hz. Backlight mini LED flood. Aspect ratio 16:9. Variable refresh technology FreeSync G-Sync. HDR formats HDR10, HDR10 Plus, Hybrid Long Gamma, Dolby Vision IQ, and HDR10 Dolby Vision Hybrid Long Gamma. Video processor Highview Engine Pro and XR processor. High gig, yes and no. Part 2 Connectivity. Number of HDMI 4 into HDMI 2.1. USB ports 2 into USB A. RJ45 ports 1 into RJ45. Wi-Fi 6E 802.11ax and Wi-Fi 6 802.11ax. Bluetooth 5.2 and 5.3. Part 3 Features. TV platform Google TV America, Vidya Europe and Google TV. Version at launch 12. OS updates yes. AirPlay yes. HomeKit yes. Voice assistants Google Assistant and Google Assistant Alexa. Supports a remote smartphone yes. Use browser Amazon Prime Video, Apple TV app, Disney Plus, HBO Max, Hulu, Netflix, YouTube. Part 4 Audio. Speakers yes and 14 watt 2.0 acoustic multi audio. HDMI ARC and ERC yes. Dolby audio yes. Dolby Digital Plus yes. Detach audio yes. STO speakers yes. Subwoofer yes. Part 5 Design. Dimensions 3.1 inch into 48.4 inch into 28.2 inch and 13.63 inch into 48.13 inch into 28.88 inch. Weight 20.4 kg and 28.3 kg. Mounting hole pattern 300 into 200 mm and 300 into 300 mm. Tuners attached 3.0 USA Europe and attached 3.0 USA DVB T2 S2 C Europe. Special features mini LED up to 1500 nits, IMAX Enhanced, Game Mode Pro, and XR backlight master drive, PS5 features, game menu and eco dashboard, IMAX Enhanced. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.